Start that the learned trial court has erred in holding that the plaintiff, being dead or alive, is the matter which should be in the personal knowledge of the revisionist only, and not the personal knowledge of the person who informed the court. Stop. Para. The learned trial court has erred in holding that the revisionist has not disclosed any date of death or has claimed that the said person was alive in the year 2004, whereas, the entire burden should be on the informant who brought the factum of death of plaintiff to the notice of the court and not the accused oblique revisionist. Stop. Para. The learned trial court has passed the impugned order in a mechanical manner and has not consulted the provisions of law before passing the impugned order, as the essential ingredients as expedient in the interest of justice was missing from the complaint. Stop. Para. The learned trial court was wrong in framing the charge under sections 193/196 and 199 Indian Penal Code against the revisionist accused without application of mind, and even not considered it necessary to conduct a preliminary inquiry to ascertain the date of death of plaintiff. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the revisionist has also raised the points for consideration that no inquiry was made as to whether plaintiff was alive or dead at the time of filing of the civil suit. Stop. Nowhere, the complainant court or the learned trial court stated that on what basis or evidence, the court reached to the conclusion that plaintiff died in the year 1984. Stop. Even no statement was recorded by the civil court of the person who informed that Shri Bhagwan Singh died in the year 1984. Stop. Complaint of learned civil court as well as impugned order missed the essential ingredients, providing in the position as it is expedient in the interest of justice. Stop. Para. Even the complaint does not contain the work expedient in the interest of justice nor even mentioned under what section or provision, the said complaint was made or action be initiated. Stop. Para. Pursuant to the filing of the appeal, notice was issued to the respondent state. Stop. Learned additional public prosecutor for the state has not filed any reply to the revision and has filed his written memorandum of arguments, wherein it is argued that the main ground of the revisionist, is that in the complaint dated 21/12/2011, the words expedient in the interest of justice are missing. Stop. It is further argued that the procedure under section 340 CRPC is invoked when any offence affecting the administration of justice, that is, when there is any interference in justice or false claims or statements are made before any court of law, and it is not essential to mention the words expedient in the interest of justice in the complaint made under section 340 CRPC. Stop. It is argued in the present case, the learned civil judge had considered the material on record and conduct of the accused plaintiff, which is reflected from the detailed order dated 21/12/2011 passed by the learned civil judge. Stop. It is also argued that the conduct of the accused also finds a mention in the order dated 22/6/2018 passed by the learned CMM, that is how accused made a false claim before the court of civil judge and also did not appear before the court when he was asked to produce the attorney and principal plaintiff, and hence, the procedure under section 340 CRPC has rightly been followed by the court's stop.